How would you like to work directly with a successful Christian author to not only write your book, but actually publish and market it successfully in less than 90 days? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how I can help you go from idea to Amazon #1 bestseller. Hi, my name is Donna Parteau, and I've written more than 30 Christian books that have sold over 1.5 million copies worldwide. Through my experience, I've helped countless incredible coaches, authors, pastors, and Christian leaders plan, publish, and promote their books to the top of Amazon's charts. And right now, I want to show you how to write and publish the kind of book that people will buy and be changed by. Did you know that 1/3 of all books on Amazon never sell even one copy? Yet every client of mine has become an Amazon #1 bestseller. How? By avoiding the most common pitfall, writing the wrong book. This is where most people miss it. They write a book they hope will sell instead of using online search tools to find out in advance how much interest there is in the topic they have in mind. Do this the right way, and you can figure out what to write before you write a single sentence, knowing with confidence people are waiting for your book to hit the stands, and you owe it to them to get your message out there right away. People are intimidated by the idea of sales and marketing, but when you start with a winning idea, then give it the right title, the book practically sells itself. When you get that total clarity about who you are, who you're called to help, and you know exactly what readers are looking for, the book practically writes itself too. So, if you want to find out exactly how to write a book that's destined to become a bestseller, click the link to watch my on-demand video training, where I'll show you my proven 7-step process to plan, publish, and promote your book to #1 Amazon bestseller status. And I'll show you how to do it in less than 90 days. Just click the link below, enter your email address, and you'll get instant access to the training. It's that simple. Right now, there are thousands of people who are waiting to hear your life-changing message. And they deserve to hear it from you in your own unique style. Click the link now to get immediate access to this powerful training. If you've watched the video this far, chances are really good you have a message that the world wants to hear, and you need to share it with them. So click the link now, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side.